Welcome back to our series, Grow with Sales Promotion on Shopify. Recently, I've been testing a strategy that gives customers way more control over their shopping experience. Because when customers aren't pushed into a pre-made combo, they actually end up buying more. That's how I discovered the Build a Box strategy, a dedicated and interactive page where customers can freely browse and pick what they want. In this video, I'll show you how to set it up with tips to maximize this bundle type. Let's jump in. Now, you're probably wondering, can I just do this with Shopify's built-in discount or bundle app? I wish, but no. You'll need an app for this. And after trying several options in the Build-A-Box app category here, I think I'll be using the BOGOS app for this tutorial. Besides having the most reviews and powerful features, I found it very easy to use while setting it up. Plus, its bundle looks great on the storefront. A very suitable app to guide you through. If you want to try it too, link in the description. Alright, let's set this up step by step. First, from the BOGOS dashboard, click on All Offers, then hit Create Offers. Select Bundle Offer and choose Bundle Page. Now let's build the rule side. Start by giving your bundle an internal name. This is just for you to track it in the back end. Next is the page heading. This is what your customers actually see, so we have to make it catchy. You can also include a subheading to add more details. Something like, pick 5 products and save big, works great. Now, for the display style, we have 2 great options here. 1 step per page. This shows steps side by side in a horizontal row. Multiple steps on one page. This stacks the steps vertically using drop-down menus. They are both very clean and easy to shop to navigate. So I think what to choose really depends on our customer's behavior or store layout. Besides, don't forget to set up a banner image that follows the app's guide here. A high-quality banner instantly grabs attention and makes the page feel premium. Moving to the next section, bundle structure. This is where we set up each step to complete the box. So for my skincare box, I'm creating 4 steps. Let's customize the step 1 first. I'm keeping the titles simple and clear, like Makeup Remover, so customers know exactly what they're choosing. There's also a subtitle option to add some details. Then I will select the Makeup Remover to showcase at this step. I can handpick specific products or simply pull in an entire collection. Pretty convenient. Finally, if you want control over how many products customers have to buy at each step, you can set the minimum and maximum quantity too. Also, if you include many products in one step, add a search bar. This lets customers easily search for and filter for the products they want. Then we simply repeat this process for the other steps. Now, move to the bundle discount. Quantity field means the total number of products customers have to buy across all steps to get the discount. We have 4 discount types here to choose from. I'll keep the classic percentage with a 10% discount in this video. And if you use BOGOS app, a helpful tactic here is to set up multiple discount levels based on how many products they bundle. They'll think, oh, if I just add 1 more product, I save an extra 5%, then end up bundling more and more. Finally, let's preview our setup. Well, everything looks so good, so I'm going to hit Publish and make it live. Oh yeah, we have 2 options here to help customers navigate to our bundle box. Setting up is easy. You just need to follow the guide here. Now, it's time to test what we have been setting up. I'm on the bundle page now. The banner looks motivating and the layout is super clean. Shoppers can easily browse the products, add what they want to their box. Look at the tier labels here. It updates as I shop. Seeing that I'm close to unlocking the next discount tier naturally pushes me to complete the routine. Now I want to customize the colors and some content on my bundle a little bit to match my brand identity. So I will go back to the app choose the Customize field and start playing with it. BOGOS allow me to full control over customizing it, from content to color. And after playing around with it for a bit, here's my final design. Let me check it on the storefront. Yeah, perfect. It looks exactly like what I want. So that's how you set up a Build-A-Box on Shopify. This helps you give customers more control while boosting your average order value. If you want to test this feature with the BOGOS app, grab that free trial link in the description. Finally, thanks for watching. See you soon in my next video.